what I remember, you took it to extreme, जहाँ पे you were eating one apple a day, kind of thing.
So I would have like yogurt. And honestly, please don't do this. You know, this is like a disclaimer for all the young girls who are listening to this podcast or listening to me speak, because if I had not found Parvez at the right time, I would have literally probably died. Because you cannot survive on one apple a day, and then you know what happens is you start plateauing, and मतलब आप सिर्फ एक सेब खा रहे हो लेकिन फिर भी आप गेन किए जा रहे हो on the scale. And I had no knowledge about that, right? I was 40, what kgs?
I think 46, 47 at that time.
40,
yeah.
46, 47. And for my body structure, that was very, very, very petite, because I'm pretty broad. तो आई रिमेंबर कि मैं आई और मैं ना वर्कआउट करती रहती थी, एंड परवेज ना पीछे से I would be like, why is this creep staring at me? What is his problem? Why is he staring at me? इतना अजीब बंदा है, and परवेज ऐसे देख रहा होता
By the way, just to let everyone know कि उस वक्त मेरी और मरियम की ऑलरेडी बातचीत थी. It was not like कि मैं किसी random लड़की को I was
he
telling.
was checking literally. मेरी परवेज की उस तरह बात नहीं थी. Like I knew he was like a trainer at the gym, but the only thing was वो ऐसे देख रहा होता था because he knew I was doing everything wrong. मैं आती थी, मैं डेडलिफ्ट करती थी, मैं पूरा प्रोग्राम मेरा गलत होता था, और ये मुझे देख रहा होता था ऐसे गुस्से से कि ये कर क्या रही है. और मैं सोच रही थी, oh my god, ew, what a creep, why is he staring at me? It was so funny. And then how did we start talking? I don't even remember
I
my
think
mom brain.
थोड़ी बहुत because we were in the same gym और बड़ी छोटा सा जिम था वो, तो बातचीत तो नॉर्मली होती रहती थी, लाइक हाय हेलो थी, बट कुछ इंसिडेंट के बाद हमारी एक बातचीत हुई थी कि यू आस्क्ड मी कि इफ़ वी कैन ट्रेन टुगेदर. If you remember that incident, I'm not going to go into that incident.
What? I want to know.
वो आई थिंक ऑफ कैमरा में बताऊंगा कि क्या इंसिडेंट था वो, बट किसी एक इंसिडेंट के बाद यू आस्क मी कि वी कैन ट्रेन टुगेदर, एंड उसके बाद हमने साथ ट्रेनिंग. उस वक्त भी यू डिडंट जॉइन मी एज अ क्लाइंट, क्योंकि मैंने बताया था मैं इस टाइम पे ट्रेनिंग करता हूँ, इफ़ यू वांट टू कम यू कैन कम एंड यू कैन जॉइन मी. और वो टाइम था सुबह के 6 बजे, बाय द वे. सुबह के 6
Because
बजे
he was
ट्रेनिंग
like, I think it was also like a project for him to understand. आप यही करते हो ना, आप किसी पे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो, आप किसी को ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देते हो, एंड यू वांटेड काइंड ऑफ दैट, you had it in your head कि you know I'll teach her, and then we kind of hit it off as well, because I felt like we had like the same kind of energy. We kind of like to hang out and speak and have our morning coffee together and just discuss, you know, and have intellectual conversations or hard conversations or just like lame conversations that we cannot speak about right now. A lot of lame conversations. But it was always so much fun, like discussing it with you. Like I would be like, oh my god, मुझे परवेज को बताना है. So it was more like, it was never a trainer kind of relationship. It was more like he was my mentor / bestie.